Let's walk through how to create custom actions for GPTs using the Relevance platform. First, go to the Relevance AI tool tab and click on Custom Actions GPTs. Select the tools you want to give the custom GPT. Go to OpenAI and create a new GPT. Give your GPT a name, description, instructions, and click on Create New Action. Go back to Relevance and click Generate API Key. This will make sure your actions are secure. Then click on Copy. Go back to OpenAI and click here. Then click on API Key and paste your API key here. Make sure Basic is selected and then click on Save. Go back to Relevance and click on Generate OpenAPI Schema. Click on Copy, then go back to OpenAI and paste it here. Once that's done, you can test it out here. If it's working, you can now save and launch it, and you can test it out. Make sure to go back to Relevance and share your GPT on LinkedIn or X, and we'll give you 1,000 credits.